This on a transmitter. How to fix it at the back side. Okay, this is a foldable. You have to bend it. The next one also, it's a.
Middle.
This is comes in the middle. While you are fixing this area, come at the top. The other two are the receivers. You can swap it. Okay. There is no any other position you have to fix like this and that. No need, huh? And this is a handle. While you are fixing handle, you have to be careful, very careful. Okay, this is a pin and hole is there. While you are fixing, just insert directly.
Press.
It will be locked. While you are releasing, just press this and release slightly. Okay, slightly. At the time of fixing, just directly insert. Okay, after you have done everything, switch on the machine. Switch on the machine. Okay, this is a front end. Now you have to press OK for the option. After you are pressing the OK, three options is there. One is groundwater, second one is natural water, the third one is saline water. Groundwater for the normal area where you want to scan the groundwater level. Second one is the natural water for the desert area. Saline water for the coastal area nearby 500 meters in and around. So first we are going to choose the groundwater option. After you are pressing OK, we have to give the depth. Based on the local depth condition, you have to select the depth range. Okay. If your area, what is the local depth in your area?
Around 1000 feet, 1200.
1200. Okay, 1200 means near about 300 meters it will be covered. From 300 you have to go for 50% additionally. So 450 meters you have to cover. Okay, I am explaining here. So I will be covering based on the local condition of Chennai. Okay, while you are checking in your area, you can increase the depth ranges. Here the local depth condition is 100 meters. So what I will do, 100 plus 50%, I will add extra. Maybe the possibility of changing the water bed. So I am just going to search for 150 meters. Okay, I can decrease it. Up to 25 meters, I can decrease the depth. If I am going, it is not allowed. Okay.
25.
So I am just going for the local depth condition. Here the local depth condition is 100 meters. So for that, I want to cover the 100 meters, and I am adding some additionally 50% extra. So I am just selecting 150 meters for the depth scanning. So if I am pressing OK, the scanning will be started. Okay, at this time you have to be follow the north direction or the south direction. Okay, here there is a north, south, east and west. So either I have to start from south to north or else north to south. ரெண்டு டைரக்ஷன் தான் நம்ம பெரும்பாலும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு சரிங்களா. ஒன்று நார்த்லேருந்து பண்ணலாம் இல்லைன்னா சவுத்லேருந்து பண்ணலாம். Okay, let's start from little bit incline from 90 degree to little bit incline. So this is the correct position way of handling. If you are pressing OK, this will be rotated automatically. If you are fully down, it won't give any changes or movement. So this is a normal way. This is a normal. This is a normal. I am just little bit inclined, 2 or 3 degree incline. So where it is showing, I have to walk. First, it will cover the nearby area, nearby sources. If I am walking through this area, where it is getting sources, it will start rotating. At the time of rotation, you can decrease the antenna for the safety purpose. So this is one of the point. Okay sir, you can cross verify later with your other machine, other instrument. This is one of the sources. If I want to cover more, I can choose another area. Here also I am just getting this point at the same direction. Okay, here also I am if I am walking continuously, the point, if there is a point, it will be rotate continuously. If there is no point, it won't rotate. Okay, just keep going. Okay, just keep going because there is a fully. ஆமாம் சார், இது வந்து ஒரே ஸ்ட்ரெச் இருக்குது சார், சரிங்களா? இது ஒரே ஸ்ட்ரெச் இருக்கிறதுனால நம்மளுக்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் ரொட்டேஷன் ஆகும். எங்கே உங்களுக்கு ரொட்டேஷன் மூவ்மெண்ட் அதிகமாக இருக்கோ அதை பொறுத்து நீங்கள் செலக்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். பேஸ்ட் ஆன் வேர் யூ ஆர் கெட்டிங் ஃபுல் ஸ்பீட். Okay, or where you want to keep it the center also you can able to mark. If you want to, if the area is 10 meters long, you can fix a mark at the middle of the 5 meter.
ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ?
Now we have to cross verify, sir. Now we have to cross verify. We have just spotted the area. After that we have to confirm this point is a valid point or not. We have to cross verify in 8 direction. Okay.
8 direction.
8 direction. First of all, we will mark that. So this is one of the point. Okay. So I am marking the area and the direction. This is a south direction, north, east and west. From this direction I need to walk at least minimum 3 meters. About 10 feet I have to walk and confirm whether it is showing the reversely or not, or it is continuously going. I need to confirm it. Okay. First the point confirmation. Now we are going to, we didn't press any button. After selecting depth it is continuing. Now while you are moving from the center point, you have to hold the machine for 1 meters. After you are moving 1 meters, you can leave the machine until it turns the direction or it is rotating at the another point. Okay. Second, still I am going to the direction. While moving from the center, I am just holding for 1 meter. It's a continuous point, so I need to follow 3 meters. Second one is east. Okay. In this area it is showing turning back. Okay, it is not rotating, just showing the turn. Next one is east and west. 1 meter I am holding. After 1 meter I am releasing. So I am getting a good response. This is also one of the spot. There are multi spot I have found it here. Multi spot. This is also one of the another spot also. You can able to mark and you can scan that area. First, after confirming the fourth direction, you have to press OK for depth scanning. Okay. So I am pressing OK. Depth scanning. Now I need to follow the 45 degree of each and every angle. Now firstly I cover northeast. This is a northeast. Second, northwest. Third, southeast. After that, southwest. So I am following each area one by one as per the order. First, northeast. Same way I am following. 1 meter I am holding. After 1 meter I am releasing. If any other point, it will rotate, or if there is no point, it will turn back. Okay, northeast and northwest. Okay. Third one is southeast. There is no point, it will turn back. Last, southeast and southwest. Here also there is another spot also there. At last you have to close the scanning. First of all we have spotted the area. After that we have walked 4 direction for the confirming to confirm the point. Later we have pressed finish button for the depth
After
search.
searching now, we have to search for depth.
Yeah, first you have to confirm the point by walking north, south, east and west.
And
Laterly you can press OK for the depth search. In that depth search you have walked northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. After you have completed all the 8 direction, you can press OK to get the report.
ಟೇಪ್
ಹಿಂಗೇನು ಉಳಿದಿருக்கு
ಟೇಪ್
ಟೇಪ್ ಸರ್
tape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂಗೆ.
going 84 meters, 139 meters. The recommended dia between 2 to 6 inches of dia. Minimum you can go for the
6 ಇಂಚು ಇದು ಫೀಟ್ ಅಗಲ.
dia.
Borewell dia.
Borewell dia. Okay, now you can generate the report.
This one is the inches.
Total borehole dia.
Okay, is it 2.7?
It's all inches.
That water level.
Dia inches. Dia inches. The borehole dia inches. Now we will generate the report. Okay, first go to Wi-Fi.
Connect ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Connected? No internet, huh? Okay, because everybody is getting confusing. There is no internet. I can. So first, just go to the 3 dot. Okay, the control which is explaining this button control. Second one is report. It will ask only first time only. Okay, now this area will be empty. Minimum maximum total borehole dia. There is no numbers or letters here. So I am going to press the circle button
Refresh.
to get the information from machine to your mobile. Okay, machine to your mobile. Before it was nothing in there in that area. So I am just pressing the circle button.
Refresh.
It works only one time. So second, if you are coming back, if you are pressing, it won't work. So you have to rescan that area. Okay. Now just
Give
write down the
Client name.
client name.
Yeah,
It all must be in English only. Okay.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay. Now you have to save the data by pressing the second option. So the data has been inserted. Now I can switch off the machine.
Okay, after finish.
Okay. After finishing, just only once. That is enough. Otherwise, it will be duplicated.
Back.
Only one time. Okay. Now Wi-Fi. Switch off Wi-Fi. Mobile data on. Okay.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
Next.
ಅದೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್
ಅದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯುಎಸ್ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ
ಇದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಅದ
Kiran. Okay. This is the file you saved. Right. These are the information clearly given. Now there are 2 buttons is there. One is the red color button which is for the purpose of uploading the data into the server. The second one is for downloading the data. First pressing the uploading button, the red color button. Once it reaches to the report file ready information, we can download the profile. You have internet, right?
Internet is there.
So where will be the download file?
1 minute. File manager.
No sir, no. Profile. In this 3-dimensional profile, do you have any other option to open the PDF? This mapping, 3D mapping. The 7 meters. From that point, the point will be always in center at the 4 number.
Okay.
Okay.
If you are moving for 10 feet, it will be center for 5 meter.
No, it will be the manual scanning will be plotted for 7 meters only. Okay, from the center point, the other side 3 meters, this side 3 meters. Totally, it will be plotted for 7 meters only. The 7 meters graph. Okay, the bore point or drilling point always be 4 numbers. So this is a 150 meter scanning. This is the frequency. The second one is earth depth profile. Normally we used to focus the earth depth profile. We only plotted for the surface range and the depth range. Based on the depth range, we will come to know we will get an depth information. Okay. These are the depth information, depth details, 20, 40, 60, 80,
Meter,
up to 1.
meter only.
It's all meter only. There is no feet. Okay. So up to here, this is center point. Up to here, you will be finding the loose rock. After that, it will be hard. Casing information, you have to cover this area. Okay. Before starting the red color, you can put casing. There are two cases for the casing pipe. One is for the local depth condition and sedimentary types. Okay.
ಅವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್
Based on the area. Some area is fully rock area, some area fully sediment area. Casing area will be finding where the red color starts, where the hard rock starts. Okay.
up to hard rock we have to insert that.
Yeah, up to the hard rock, that is enough. Okay, if you are inserting the casing pipe, you will not get the source outside. Okay, the water will be very less. If you are getting 2 inches of water, if you are putting casing all over the depth, there is no use. There is no use of drilling that area. If your area is fully sand area, you must put the pipes. Okay, up to the red color you have to, it's a recommended. Okay. So after that, here the red color started, hard rock is started. Meantime, the layer is changing here. About 50 meters, the layer is changing. After that, these are the porous rocks. The blue color is indicating the permeable breaker, which rock can hold the water. Okay, the blue colors and the green colors and the yellow colors are permeable rocks which can hold the water. These are the water bearing rocks. After that, 140 meters, there are good source in this area. Okay, you are getting both direction. This is from south to north, even south also good, up to the north also good. These are the permeable, these are the resistance values. The third one is earth latitude longitude profile, reflection of the earth depth profile. The fourth one is depth versus frequency. In depth versus frequency, where the waves are at the top, it is saying that the hard rock, where the permeable layer, the loose rocks are started, the gap. Okay, the frequency will be reached up to the maximum depth. These are the maximum depth. If you are finding hard rock at the top layer, it will be reflected over on the top.
I tried also.
Okay.
That it will show. That means it will rotate.
Rotate. Huh? 3 sources are there, sir. கேர்து கிளியரா கூப்பிடுங்க, அவர் கிளியர் பண்ணல, அவர் ஃபுல்லா கவர் ஆகல பாருங்க.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ತಗೊಂಡ
ನೀರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ
Yeah, sir, here you will get lot of point.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ರೈ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಡ್ರೈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೀರಿರೋ ಜಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
I found here also. You can cross verify. They say also I have two spots. There also one spot is there. Panel. Here the complete report. Okay, it says and everything about the depth and the water quantum rock, how much rock, the percentage hard rocks are there, the quality of the water, and the salinity and the permeability factor, and everything it will be coming at the top. First is the customer name. Okay, the customer name you have given the Kishore and the surveyor name Kiran and Kishore. This is the latitude and longitude of this area where you are generate the reports. And the first one is source information. Source information. This is displaying in meters. 86 meters, near about 240 feet. Okay. The second source is 132. The third source is 154 meters. Okay. If you are crossing the local depth, the other source will be open automatically. If there is a water bearing rock, if there is a water is accumulated on the water bed level area where the depth information has given, it will be open automatically one by one. Okay. The maximum depth you can go for the go up to 182 meters if it is necessary. If you want to drill more, highest near berth.
182.
180. 180 is the highest. And the rock strength analysis is at this point. On this point, you will get 44% of the percentage of hard rock.
Hard rock.
Okay. The second one is water quantum. This is indicating the minimum water output. Okay, this is a minimum water output. It is showing the minimum 3,461.
ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ನೀವು
I have explained you over there. 3,000.
2.78 inches.
No, sir. 2,000 1 inch. 2,000 LPH 1 inch. 3,000 1.5 inch. This is about 1.75 inch. Okay.
So water quantum.
Water quantum is the minimum. The maximum could be any number. If you are drilling more depth, the water will be changing. The output will be changing, right? Then the next one is water quality. Quality of the water is 76%. After that, it is showing the salinity, saline of the rock, saline rock. Hard water, saline water, scaling water. Next one is the permeability layer. Okay, the permeability is defining the water quantum and the speed of the recovery. Okay, it is changing from one layer to another layer. The percentage based upon whichever is higher, you can recommend on that area. There is a limitation is there. Minimum recommended the parameters for the agriculture also there is a separate, and for housing purpose also there is a parameters are separated. But this is a permeability area 72%, which means you will get the more. These are the graph and other explanation. Okay. Okay. You can cross it. Whatever.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು
If you are saying no,
Holding is there, na? That is important.
this one?
This one holding.
Holding.
ಓಕೆ
Next one is press OK for the option.
Hold ಮಾಡು.
Okay, press OK.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ. Okay.
Okay.
ಇದು ಡೆಪ್ತ್.
Depth.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾ?
200 meter default, sir.
ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
ಓಕೆ 250.
ಓಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗ
Using that
Dosing,
basic.
huh? Basic.
After that you are using for dowsing radar.
Dosing, okay.
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ.
Sir, based upon the area, sir. This is a water bearing area. You can see lots of water.
ಆ
ಹಾ
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಡ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು.
but here it's not rotating na. Source also it will be find it. It will be small source also it can able to find it.
ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 4 5 5 6 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು
Rotation will be fast, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, the small changes, huh? Small rotation. Just go to there, huh? Sir,
ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್?
a little bit changes, sir. Where we are, just walk around this area, the whole area walk around. Do you feel the changes or not? Let's go to this area. எப்போது கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு போக போக ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆயிரு சார். அதில் ஸ்பீಡ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ இருக்குல்ல ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳುங்க.
ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಹೋಗ್ತದಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ.
ಇದು ಡೆತ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಈಗ ಓಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 8 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್.
ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓಕೆ
ಹಾ
ಓಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಸ್ಲೋ ಓಕೆ. 3 meter is enough. Second, south 1 meter hold for 1 meter, then release. Okay. This is a point confirmation. You are confirming a point, the way of the water flow.
ಆ ಕಡೆ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ
third 3 meter, third one is east. Maximum 3 meter enough, east west. Okay, next press OK. Depth search.
ಓಕೆ.
Now OK, depth search, depth search, northeast. Okay, northwest, southeast, southwest. Northeast. Be careful, huh? Sir,
ಈಗ ಹಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಹಂಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ
next finger. V, huh?
ವಿ ಶೇಪ್
V shape, okay. Okay. Next cross.
ವಿ ಶೇಪ್
Cross.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್
This direction, sir. Car, Careful, huh? Okay.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Next, this area, last area. Southwest.
1 2
2, 3,
3 4
4. Maximum 3 meter, okay, sir. 3 meter, okay. Now press okay.
ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ
Press okay. Okay. I think you are giving a 250 meter, huh? 250 meter scanning. Okay. Now report, huh? Generate report. Huh?
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್
Now report, huh? Application. Circle button, huh? Report. Empty, huh? This area is empty. Pressing the circle button, refresh button. Now fill the client name and surveyor name. Don't give always Kiran name.
ಓಕೆ
Put any number. Okay. Next, save the data.
ಇದಾ
Data save. Now switch off the machine. Wi-Fi. Switch off Wi-Fi and mobile data on. Okay. Now backup. Kiran, huh?
ಎರಡು ಒನ್
ಒನ್
Now upload. Red color button.
ಓಕೆ
Wait. Report file now download. Okay. I think your notification is off. Go to download file manager. Downloads. Kiran 1. Extract. Okay. Kiran 1 PDF.
ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ
Okay.
ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ
3784.
ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋ
This is also 1.75 inches. Okay. The water quality is 41%. Salinity is 58%. And the permeability is 75%.
ಇದು 100% ವಾಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
Correct, sir. Local depth. First, local depth should be matched.
ಮೂರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ
Local depth should be matched, sir.
ಓಕೆ
Second one is your scanning should be proper. The third one is the parameters.